Football season is back, and LSU tickets are once again on sale in the bookstore. We had a chance to talk with Director of Student Activities and Rec Sports, Angel Martin, to find out more about the tickets.
We get 20 tickets, and they're all student tickets for the student section.
Depending on who the Tigers will be playing, students may want to get in line as early as they can.
More popular games, obviously, the tickets are sold right away, and some less popular games, we might sell 15, 10 right away, and the others might sell a little bit later. We have had students actually camp out for tickets as early as midnight the night before they go on sale.
But before students set up camp the night before, they need to remember to bring just a few things with them.
They have to actually bring their student ID to pick up the ticket here, and they will not be allowed in the game if they don't bring their actual LSUS student ID with a ticket stub.
We had the chance to talk to some students who actually set up camp the night before.
We camped out in front of the bookstore overnight, and we sat there. We got there about 5 in the morning. We're the first ones there.
We got there probably around like 11 o'clock at night the night before and camped out and had a good time with it.
Having the opportunity offered to go to an LSU game has made students appreciate LSUS even more.
It's great that the Student Activity Board offers these kinds of opportunities for us students at LSUS.
Without this, there's no really big game experience that students here can go experience.
For the Alma Just Student News, I'm Jared Allgood.